Allison Resendiz, Chief Content Officer with Foodservice Equipment Reports at the NAFEM Show 2025. Stuart, can you introduce yourself?
Sure, I'm Stuart Schwadron with Rationale. I'm the Director of Product Management for the iVario platform, but I'm here to tell you more about several of our products today.
Awesome, yep. So right now we're standing in front of the iHexagon, which is the newest product. I know Rationale has a couple newer products, and this is one of the newest. Could you tell us a little bit about it?
Yeah, I'd love to. It's a groundbreaking product for us, and it incorporates our conventional iCombi technology. That's cooking with steam, with iCombi heat, or with dry heat, and it automatically adds microwave. So we have 6 levels in the unit, 6 half-size sheet pans, and we can cook with microwave on all 6 levels, which just basically speeds up the cooking process. Think about 30 pounds of chicken wings in about 10 minutes, for example. So it's a really neat product. And what I love about it is that it also incorporates what we call our auto dose cleaning system. So that's these containers you see on top, but that's basically inside of the unit. Should I show them?
Sure.
See it. Okay. Auto dose is down here. And we see it also on the screen. So it's a neat system. That's all part of the same, both iHexagon and the iCombi.
Okay, great, awesome. Well, let's go check out one of your other newer products.
Fantastic.
Stuart, we're standing in front of another Rationale product. Can you tell me a little bit about the iVario and maybe how is it different from a usual tilt skillet?
Yeah, I would love to. This is our biggest version of the iVario. It comes in 4 sizes, this being the largest. It's a 40-gallon tilt skillet. But because it heats differently than a conventional tilt skillet, it's going to operate about 30% faster. We also have a variety of accessories for specific cooking, like the basket lift that we see here, either used for boiling or deep frying, and that's all incorporated with our intelligence. So you tell the unit what you want to cook, and then you tell it how you want the product to be finished, and the unit decides on all the cooking parameters and how it's going to be prepared. So it's coupled with a variety of things. I guess one other big difference is that it has an integrated drain. So it's going to drain straight out the back of the unit. The drain's down here in front, and that's going to then allow the operator to not necessarily have a floor trough. So it's really easy for cleaning and also easy to maintain safety in the environment without having a trip hazard or something else to clean in the floor. So it's a great operator and it's proven.
Definitely. Okay, I know we're going to check out one more product.
Sounds good.
We are standing in front of one of the most classic Rationale products. Could you tell us a little bit about what sets the iCombi Pro apart from other combi ovens on the market?
Yeah, I'd love to. You know, Rationale has a heritage of producing combi ovens. We've been building it since 1973. All of our combis, including the iCombi Pro, share what we call a steam generator, or it's a boiler-based system. So it adds that intelligence that we had seen with the iHexagon, where you can push a button and the unit will decide the parameters to cook the food, but we also have that steam generator, which gives unlimited amounts of steam to be able to cook evenly and consistently with the product. So it's really a great system that has a bedrock foundation. Over 1 million combis have been put into the market.
And could you tell me a little bit about the energy efficiency of your units?
Of course, yeah. All of our combis are Energy Star 3.0 approved, so they're efficient on both the gas and the electric side of the business.
Great, and I wanted to be sure to congratulate you. I know that Rationale is part of the What's Hot, What's Cool exhibit here at the NAFEM Show. So the iCombi Pro also comes with the auto dose.
That's true.
That's true, okay.
Yeah, all of our 6-pan and 10-pan units are available with auto dose as an option, and we're really excited about this because it's really a big customer improvement, allowing them to automate their cleaning process.
Sounds great. Well, Stuart, thank you so much for giving us a tour of the booth here at the NAFEM Show. I appreciate it.
Of course.
Good luck
for your
over.
time.
Thank you. This is Allison Resendiz with Foodservice Equipment Reports at the NAFEM Show 2025.